Do you want to learn to love math again? Go to Mr. Ng's website or to his YouTube channel. He will teach you to learn to love math again. Mr. Ng, the #1 math teacher in the whole world.
Hey guys, let's go over this ticket out the door. Questions 4 to 6 says factor completely. And you'll notice that these questions, you're not quite sure to start, so just go through your directions. Because it says factor, I don't need to set it equal to 0. The next one is to figure out if it has a greatest common factor. 1, 2, and 35 do not have anything in common. Question number 3 is standard form. A is 1, B is -2, and C is -35. Did you notice that none of these have x squared or x's in it? Now I'm going to go ahead and do my x in my box. A times C, which is -35, and your B value always goes here on the bottom, which is -2. Now I need to think of all the factors of 35, 35 and 1, 7 and 5. Well, I'm going to choose these two. Now I have to think of combination of positive and negatives. So that would be -7 and 5. This whole first term always goes in the top left. So that will be x squared. This b term, we just split it into these two terms. So they always go there. And that is 5x. And then your C term always goes here. Greatest common factor is x. Greatest common factor is x. Excuse me. This is going to be a this is a -7. That'll be a -7, and this will be a +5. You can always multiply to check your answer. So my answer is x -7, x plus 5. Remember, you can switch the orders, box your answers. If it did say solve, this is where you would split them and set them equal to 0. Solving means x is equal to. Question number 5. There is a greatest common factor. The answer is 2, but I did give a hint in one of my classes that there are 2 sets of parentheses. So let's pretend you don't see it. You're going to place a placeholder. And what that will prove to you is that the b value is not -2. I want to show you that math is forgiving, so if you don't see the greatest common factor, you can still get the correct answer. A times C is -4. B value is 0. My two numbers are going to be 2 and -2. This is your first term and your last term. Greatest common factor, -2x. Sorry, 2x. Okay, pay attention now. Although the greatest common factor is 2x, if I put 2x and 2x, that'll give me multiply, that'll be 4x squared. So this one's just going to be an x. This one I'm going to do -1. And this one I'm going to do a +2. So I have 2x plus 2, x minus 1. Now, this one, I can take out the GCF of a 2. And this one is my correct answer. Number 6. A times C is -12. B value is 1. My two numbers are 4 and -3. First term always goes there. Last term. Now, some student tried 6 and 1. Well, that won't work because 6 times something equals -3, so break it up to 2 and 3. Remember, if the 2 cannot fit here, then put the 2, switch it. 2x, 3x, so -1, 2, 3x plus 2, and 2x minus 1. Remember, if you're not sure if this makes sense, you just put it onto the outside of the box, multiply, combine like terms, and you'll get the original answer.
M to the A to the T to the H. Math is awesome. Mr. Ng's videos teach you a lot about math and to show your work, because if you don't show your work, then that's cheating, and we don't do cheating.